The Galaxy S25 Ultra is poised to be a standout in Samsung's smartphone lineup, embodying the latest advancements in design and technology. As we get a closer look at its features, it's clear that this device represents a significant leap forward for the brand. Samsung is reimagining the Galaxy S25 Ultra with a fresh take on the classic Note design. The device will feature rounded edges that offer a blend of aesthetics and practicality. These rounded edges are subtle, distinguishing the S25 Ultra from its predecessors, like the Galaxy S21 Ultra and S20 Ultra. While the design retains elements from the Note series, it has been refined to enhance comfort and usability. A standout feature of the S25 Ultra is its display. Early leaks suggest that the phone will have some of the thinnest bezels ever seen on a Samsung device, particularly around the chin of the screen. Although this is not the official render, it's clear that Samsung aims to push the boundaries with ultra-thin bezels to maximize screen space and create a more immersive viewing experience. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is not just about its hardware, it is also a key part of Samsung's broader 2025 strategy. Recent leaks indicate that the S25 Ultra will complement Samsung's upcoming Galaxy XR headset. The Galaxy XR, an extended reality headset, has been in development for about 2 to 3 years and is expected to launch alongside the S25 series in January 2025. This strategic timing suggests that the S25 Ultra and the Galaxy XR are designed to work together seamlessly, offering a cohesive ecosystem akin to Apple's Vision Pro. The integration between the S25 Ultra and Galaxy XR headset is significant. It indicates that Samsung is not just focusing on improving smartphone technology, but is also creating an interconnected experience across different devices. This approach aims to offer users a comprehensive and immersive experience that spans both traditional and extended reality. In addition to hardware advancements, Samsung is preparing major updates to its software. One UI 7.0 is set to launch soon, though it has faced some delays. The delay is due to Samsung's focus on perfecting the user experience. The company is committed to delivering the smoothest and most elegant animations and overall interface. This polish is crucial, as the Galaxy S24 series, which will debut with One UI 7.0, will be competing directly with the iPhone 16 lineup. Once One UI 7.0 is released, Samsung will shift its focus to One UI 7.1, which will debut with the Galaxy S25 series. One UI 7.1 is expected to introduce significant new features and enhancements, taking full advantage of the S25 Ultra's advanced hardware and refining the user experience even further. In summary, the Galaxy S25 Ultra represents a major evolution in Samsung's smartphone design and technology. With its refined design, including rounded edges and ultra-thin bezels, the S25 Ultra promises a fresh and comfortable user experience. The strategic alignment with the Galaxy XR headset highlights Samsung's commitment to creating a cohesive and immersive ecosystem. Coupled with the upcoming One UI 7.0 and 7.1 updates, the S25 Ultra is set to be a flagship device that not only meets but exceeds current industry standards. Share your thoughts on the S25 Ultra's design and what features you're most excited about as we approach its official launch.